The Jewelry Exchange Hackensack.
Are you ready? It is time for some exclusive savings only for Fox & Friends viewers, including some items that could make great gifts for dads this Father's Day.
Megan Meany is back with more mega morning deals. Megan, take it away.
Okay, we have the Grillbot. This is perfect for Father's Day.
Ooh.
Guys that like to grill, this cleans the grill without any effort. German engineering. You just simply press the button, set it and forget it. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. There's a little delay, and then it'll clean the grill.
Wow.
You don't need a solution. It's so powerful. No soap is needed. You also can remove the brushes, and they go into the dishwasher. We love it. It doesn't weigh a thing.
Megan,
this is 50% off today, you guys. You have to get this. It's typically $132, but for you guys today, Mega Morning Deals, only $65. Okay?
Well done.
The Grillbot. Okay.
Right,
this is a smartwatch, but what we love